Powered by AI, our background removal API automatically detects objects in any image and extracts only that to generate new images with transparent backgrounds. Let's see it in action. What you can see now is our GraphQL playground, which I'll be demoing from today. You'll need to know the request to run, your org ID, and finally the Content Hub URL for the image you want to remove the background from. You can also use it with locally stored images, and for that you need to upload the file to our temporary file service. Of course, we've got documentation on that. So, first off, I'm going to grab the request code from our documentation and paste that into the left-hand screen in the playground. If you don't know your org ID, just jump back to docs where you can copy code to run another quick query in the GraphQL playground to return that. So I'll paste that in and hit run. Now I've got my org ID and I can copy that back into my original request code. Next up, I'm going to find my image in Content Hub. So here I am in Content Hub, I'm locating my image and I'm just going to open the properties and copy that dynamic URL. The last step is to paste that back into the request query and hit run. As you can see, it only takes a couple of seconds and a temporary URL is returned. We've estimated that using this API is up to 20 times faster than manually removing backgrounds and retouching in tools like Photoshop. And the AI that powers this has been trained and fine-tuned on thousands of shopping images, which means it's ultra precise, capturing the smallest details even with complex imagery. Look around the hairline here, it's done really well. All you need to do is save the new transparent background image and it's ready for a new lease of life. Whether that's preparing it to add to a marketplace with a white background, layering in an alternative concept background to repurpose for a new campaign, or editing the background colour to make it consistent with another collection. What I've shown you here, directly using the API, is naturally a more developer-friendly experience. If you have a customer or a trial account, you can also test it out in our Amplience AI playground. Find the playground tab from your dashboard and you can directly test an image from Content Hub. Let's try this one. What I love about the AI playground is that you can use this slider to compare the before and after and see just how well it performs. This API is available today. I really recommend testing it out yourself in the GraphQL playground if you're comfortable using code, or from our AI playground. If you've got a collection of images you want to process at the same time and have a Content Hub account, you can also run a Content Hub processing script to remove backgrounds from images in bulk. To learn more about this service, check out our website or get in touch with the team. Thanks for watching!